Good morning. We are on the roof for the Hague residence, claim number 1188N818C. It is September 5th, approximately 9:30 in the morning. It's around 72 degrees outside. I've been contracted to perform some repairs to this insured's roof. We have a damaged shingle here on the back. It's a missing applique. We're going to be documenting the removal of this shingle. In order to do that, I need to manipulate the nails to get out of the 2 rows above it. Judging by the condition of this roof, we are down to the fiberglass and matting on this entire slope. There's next to 0 granule loss, so we're going to be looking for any hinging, creasing, or fracturing during this removal process. Let's get started. Tools we'll be using: it's a painter's tool just to break the seals. This causes the minimal amount of abrasion. Afterwards, we'll be using the standard roof snake and roofer's hatchet to remove the nails. I'll be using the tail end of the hatchet to lift the above shingles just high enough so I can see the nails to get them out. We're not going to be manipulating the shingle any more than we have to. There's already granules falling off just as I'm lightly touching these nails. First row is out, moving to the second. We have it breaking right here, getting that tail nail out. That should be it. It is. The damaged shingle has been removed. We're replacing it with a standard 30-year arc from Certainty, Georgetown gray, same color. And it appears the current shingle on the roof is not compatible. We've got length exposure of about 1.5 inches. I'm gonna show you right quick. So due to this overlap and inability to adhere, this whole corner will not seal down. So this would probably be a discontinued shingle, most likely. For the sake of the repair, though, we're just going to continue. As I hit these nails in, I'm seeing a lot of granules fall from the vibrations. It appears there is some hinging starting to form on the above applique sections. I'll get close-ups of that here in a minute. First row is in, moving to the second. Lots of granule loss falling off of these nails, excuse me, of the shingles as I hit the nails. And one more. Where'd that one go? So what I'm seeing, there's more granule loss that has occurred, but during this manipulation process, hinging has occurred on the above appliques. I don't know if you can see it. It is broken right here. So anytime we have to lift these up, we've got fracturing in the mat as well as fracturing of the shingle. This would be definitely deemed a failed attempt, as we would only cause more damage moving up the slopes. I'll accompany this with some close-up photos in case the video can't pick this up, but we would highly request that you reconsider the repairability aspect of this insured roof to bring them back to pre-loss conditions. Thank you for watching and have a good day.